everyone, and welcome back to Quiz Falcon. Think your general knowledge is elite? Prove it. From history to pop culture, these questions will humble you. Ready to crush it or get crushed? Let's go! Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camels store fat in their humps for desert survival. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents: Africa, Antarctica. Only flying mammal? Bats are true flyers. Which planet rains diamonds? Neptune's pressure turns methane into diamonds. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa is Canada's capital, while Toronto is its largest city. Most expensive spice? Saffron costs up to $5,000 per kilogram. Which country invented pizza? Modern pizza began in Naples, Italy. What is the hardest natural substance? Diamonds form under extreme pressure. Which country has the most pyramids? Sudan has 255 pyramids. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetahs sprint at 70 to 75 miles per hour. Which language has the most words? English has approximately 1 million words. Which bird flies backward? Hummingbirds can hover and reverse. Which fruit is called king of fruits? Mango's rich flavor earned it the title. What is the largest mammal? Blue whales weigh up to 200 tons. Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter has 95 moons. What is the smallest country? Vatican City is 0.49 square kilometers. Which color is an emerald? Emeralds are green beryl gems. Country with a square flag? Switzerland and Vatican City have square flags. Letter missing from U.S. state names? No state name contains Q, except New Mexico, if you count Mexico. Which country has no rivers? Saudi Arabia uses desalination plants. Most spoken language? Mandarin has 1.1 billion speakers. Which vegetable is 90% water? Cucumbers are 96% water. Who is the Greek god of the sea? Poseidon wields a trident. Which planet spins sideways? Uranus tilts at 98 degrees. Which country has the most time zones? France has 12 time zones. Tallest mountain in the world? Everest is 8,849 meters tall. Which animal sleeps standing up? Horses lock their legs to sleep upright. Which country's national animal is a unicorn? Scotland chose the mythical unicorn. Country with the most islands? Sweden has 267,570 islands. Only non-perishable food? "3,000-year-old honey was found in Egyptian tombs." Who painted Starry Night? Painted in 1889 during Van Gogh's asylum stay. Animal with blue blood? Their copper-based blood is used in medicine. Country that's also a continent? Australia is the only continent nation. Loudest animal on Earth? Their clicks reach 230 decibels. Fruit with seeds outside? Strawberries have approximately 200 external seeds. Time's up. Did you beat the 80% or join the fail club? Drop your score below. Smash that like button if you got at least half right. Bye for now.